Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we are going to learn 5 of the most commonly used Excel functions: sum, average, min, max, and count. Let's start with the sum function. Sum is used to add numbers together. For example, if we want to add the values from cell B2 down to B10, we write equals sum, open parentheses, B2 colon B10, close parentheses. Press enter, and Excel adds all the numbers in that range. This is much faster and safer than typing each number with plus signs. Next is the average function. This function calculates the mean of numbers in a range. For instance, if you want the average of the values in B2 through B10, type this. Excel adds the numbers, divides by the count of numbers, and gives you the average. Now let's look at the min function. Min finds the smallest number in a range. Suppose you have quantity in cells C2 to C10. Let us type the function. Excel will return the lowest score. This is a quick way to identify the minimum value without scanning manually. On the other side, we have the max function. Max finds the largest number in a range. Using the same quantity example, type this. And then press enter. It will instantly show you the highest score. This helps in finding the maximum sales, highest marks, or largest expenses. Finally, we have the count function. Count is used to count how many cells in a range contain numbers. For example, equals count, B2, B10, will tell you how many numeric entries exist in that range. It ignores text and blank cells. If you want to count all non-empty cells, including those with text, you should use the counta function instead. Remember, functions can also accept multiple ranges. For example, you can write to add numbers from 2 different columns at the same time. A useful tip: Excel shows helpful prompts when you start typing a function. Always pay attention to these tooltips. They remind you what arguments the function expects. That's it for this tutorial on basic Excel functions. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.